Which Southeast Asian organization has 10 members? The correct answer is C. That is ASEAN. The full form of ASEAN is Association of Southeast Asian Nations. It is an international organization that has 10 members country in Southeast Asia. Which of the following countries would account for maximum petroleum production of the world? The correct answer is B. So, Russia, US, Iran, China, Saudi Arab, all these countries have account for maximum petroleum production of the world. Which of the following combinations belong to Bretton Woods Institute? The correct answer is A. That is IMF, World Bank. So, the Bretton Woods institution are the World Bank and the international IMF is International Monetary Fund. The correct match between countries and their official languages is, the correct answer is C. That is Brazil Portuguese, Barbados English, Haiti French, Chile Spanish. Which city houses the headquarters of International Atomic Energy Agency? That is IAEA. The correct answer is B. Vienna, Austria. So, in October 1957, the delegates to the first General Conference decide to establish the IAEA's headquarter in Vienna, Austria. International standards on combating money laundering and the financing of terrorism and proliferation are framed by, the correct answer is B. That is FATF. So, the international standard for the fight against money laundering and the financing of terrorism has been established by FATF. The full form of FATF is the Financial Action Task Force, which is a 33-member organization with primary responsibility for developing a worldwide standard for anti-money laundering and combating the financing. Kutakulam nuclear plant is an agreement between India and which country? The correct answer is D. Russia. So, the Kutakulam nuclear power plant is being undertaken in cooperation with Russia, which is supplying 1000 megawatt type of VVER type nuclear reactor. Where are the headquarters of ILO located at? The correct answer is A. Geneva. The full form of ILO is the International Labour Office. It is situated in Geneva. Provides the secretariat for all conferences and other meetings and is responsible for the day-to-day implementation of decision taken by the conference or governing body, etc. Indians have held position of importance in the International Labour Office. When did India become a member of WTO? The correct answer is C. That is 1995. So, India has been a WTO member since 1st January 1995 and a member of GATT from 8th July 1948. Which of the countries in Europe were most hit by sovereign debt crisis? The correct answer is D. That is Spain, Greece, Iceland and Portugal. All these countries in Europe were most hit by sovereign debt crisis. Which country has a street named A.R. Rahman? The correct answer is A, that is Canada. So Oscar winning music composer A.R. Rahman gets a street named after him in Canada, and the board having the street name reads Allah Rakha Rahman Street. A delighted Rahman posted a picture of him holding the board and tweeted, "Welcome to my street." Which country has started the first plastic notes? The correct answer is C, that is Australia. So Australia was the first country to introduce polymer banknotes in 1988. And by 1996, Australia had completely switched to these banknotes. Which country manufactured VELOX-1? The correct answer is D, that is Singapore. So the VELOX-1 mission is a Singaporean nano satellite mission consisting of two satellites, VELOX-1 and the VELOX-P3 sub-satellite, to operate in sun-synchronous low Earth orbit. The project is part of NTU's undergraduate satellite program, which provide an opportunity for engineering students to participate in a multidisciplinary hands-on space project. Asia's first ballistic research center is situated in which country? The correct answer is B, India. So the ballistic center will conduct tests for armored vehicles of the Indian Army and also provide service to private players who supply vehicles to the VIPs. Catalonia referendum is associated with which country? The correct answer is C, Spain. So it is associated with Spain. Which of the following countries has the nickname Land of the Thunder Dragon? The correct answer is C, that is Bhutan. So Bhutan is also known as Drakyul or the Land of the Thunder Dragon. Nepal and Bangladesh are located near Bhutan but do not share a land border. Who became the first female judge to be appointed in the Pakistan's National Sharia Court? The correct answer is A, that is Ashraf Jahan. Ashraf Jahan, who was serving as an additional judge at the High Court in Sindh, made history as she took the oath in Karachi. Which of the following countries has Red River Delta? The correct answer is D, that is Vietnam. So spanning some 150 kilometers in width, the river delta is located in the western coastal zone of the Gulf, and the Red River is the second largest river in Vietnam and one of the 5 largest rivers on the East Asia coast. The headquarters of SAARC is in dash. The correct answer is A, that is Kathmandu. The full form of SAARC is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. First white label ATM IndiCash was unveiled by? The correct answer is B, that is Tata Communication Payment Solution Limited. This is the India's first ever white label ATM network. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.